find all the values of the parameter a for which this given equation has a solution. And we also have to find that solution. So we need to get the valid value of x for the values of this parameter a, right? So let's start with the solution. The left hand side of this equation can be solved as just integrating this integrand with respect to t. So we get t cubed divided by 3 minus 12t squared divided by 2 plus 28t, and the limits from 0 to x. So putting the upper limit, it becomes x cubed divided by 3 minus, this is 6x squared plus 28x minus 0. So the left hand side is x cubed divided by 3 minus 6x squared plus 28x. So let's rewrite this equation again by having this left hand side. Taking x common, we get x squared divided by 3 minus 6x plus 28 equal to x sine of 2a plus 1 divided by x into pi. So clearly x is non-zero. So cancelling these two. Taking 1 by 3 common, we get x squared minus 18x plus 84 equal to sine of 2a plus 1 divided by x into pi. Why I have taken this 1 over 3 common? Because I need to get the factors. Alright, let's get a perfect square from this. So this is x squared minus 18x can be written as twice of 9 into x plus, alright, I'm having here twice of 9. That means I need to add and subtract 9 squared, that is 81. So adding 81 and subtracting 81. So from these three terms, I can get a perfect square as x minus 9 whole square. And this gives us plus 3. So writing this, so we are getting in the bracket x minus 9 whole square plus 3 equal to the right hand side. Let's multiply this inside again. We get 1 divided by 3 into x minus 9 whole square plus 1 equal to the right hand side. We need to find the values for this parameter a, which is non-zero. And for this, we also need to get the valid value of x for this equation, right? Now we know that the range of sine is from minus 1 to 1. The maximum value of sine is 1 and the minimum value of sine is negative 1 for all the real values of x, right? But the left hand side is greater than 1, isn't it? This is the square x minus 9 whole square, which is positive, right? And here I am having 1. So the left hand side is strictly greater than 1, right? So to match for some value of x, so what could be the valid value? So what could be the valid value of x for this equation? So what we have to do is, we have to put this term to be equal to 0 for the valid range of this sign, right? So if I put 1 over 3 x minus 9 whole square equal to 0, I get 1 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I'm having sine of 2a plus 1 divided by x into pi. Still x is there. So what could be the x? From here we calculate. So from here we get x minus 9 whole square equal to 0. That implies x minus 9 equal to 0, that is x equal to 9. So we get x to be as 9 over here, right? Let's write this as the left hand side is greater than equal to 1 and equals to 1 if and only if 1 over 3 x minus 9 whole square equal to 0. Then only the left hand side becomes 1 if this is 0. So this left hand side is equal to 1 if this is 0, right? So if and only if x minus 9 equal to 0. So if and only if x is equal to 9. So the left hand side equals 1 if and only if x is equal to 9. So writing further, we get x equal to 9. So just putting x equal to 9 in this equation, we get the left hand side is 1 and the right hand side is sine of 2a plus 1 divided by 9 into pi. Right? Okay. Alright. So this implies, okay, at what values of sine we are getting 1? At pi by 2 we are getting sine equal to 1. Also, if I rotate the angle complete to this back to again here, I'm getting one complete rotation, that is 2 pi. That is pi by 2 plus 2 pi. Similarly, continuing one more complete rotation so that I can reach over here. So how many rotations? 2 rotations, complete rotations of 2 pi plus this pi by 2. And then so on. Right? So we are getting sine of pi by 2 plus 2n pi rotations. So that gives us the value as 1. So writing this one as sine of pi by 2 plus 2n pi equal to sine of 2a plus 1 divided by 9 into pi. So this implies pi by 2 plus 2n pi is equal to 2a plus 1 divided by 9 into pi. Please remember we need to get the value of this parameter a, right? Okay, then next, cancelling this pi, we get 1 divided by 2 plus 2n is equal to 2a plus 1 divided by 9. That implies 1 plus 4n divided by 2 equal to 2a plus 1 divided by 9. So that is 9 plus 36n equal to 4a plus 2. Or we get, just take this 2 to the other side. 4a equal to 36n plus 7. So that is a equal to 9n plus 7 divided by 4, where n is belonging to the set of integers. So for this value of a, we are getting x to be equal to 9. So for a equal to 9n plus 7 divided by 4, x is equal to 9. Alright, thank you.